So I want to start me a little fishing channel, just for shits and giggles. So the other day I went fishing with my brother-in-law Michael, and I took this along with me. Just a SJ Cam C300 something mini. It's tiny, right? Small. But it worked a treat. The only problem that I have is I didn't notice it until the very end when I was looking at the footage. The picture is a little not the way that I want it to be. I need to angle it down somehow. I need to get like an actual head strap, head mounty thing. But the footage that I got and edited together for this video seems fine, I guess. So yeah, here's what happened. So I got like pilchard, some don't know how well you guys can see that, or how I'll see it. Pilchard, cockle, burley. Let's get in. They took my stuff. They're hungry today. Plop. I might have lost a little bit of something. Oop. Come on. Do it. I think they done plumb took my bait. They done plumb gone and taked my bait. How rude. Ah, mullet. Looks about a good size too. Whoosh. Oh, I got one. Yes? Yeah. Not too big though. It's just a tiny one. Tiny guy. Oh, no, he got off. Must have been hanging on to one of the baits. There we go. What we got? Nice. Mullet. There we go. Ooh. Another one. Another mullet. 3 in the bag. Steady wind. Well, there's no real wind at all to speak of. Yeah, they're already at it. Oh. Ooh. It's a good one. Stay on there, yeah. Come on. It's a good one. Or it's a salmon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, fishy. And I'm on something. Oh. Like he's on a mullet, and thought mine had gotten off. Mine, again, is a salmon trout, but this one is worth measuring because they need to be 21. Nah, he's a couple shy. Let's see if we can't do a proper release, get a little bit of nice footage. There we go. So we've got salmon skulls coming through. Hopefully we'll get some more mullet. If we're lucky, we'll get to see some Tommy Ruffs or Australian herring. Maybe a brim. Getting little pecks. Oh. Nah, nothing yet. Thought he had grabbed it. Oh, he did grab it. So the hook. And he's still on it. This doesn't feel like a salmon. but it is. Little one. Very deceptive. This means we'll have to come out around winter. There we go. Love that sound. I didn't cast closer. Oh, something's on. Something swallowed it. What have we got? Ooh, another mullet. They're good size too. Oh, a little bit too more to the left. But they're there. Are we on? Yeah, we're on. What we got? So maybe another salmon. Oh, no, it's a double header. Hey, Mikey. Double mullet. Let's have a looky, Lou. Yeah, 18. Come on, buddy. Off you go. This guy. Come on, buddy. Come on. Yeah, I know, you're all sandy and shit. Don't step on that knife, Scott. Oop. They lose their scales so easily with the sand. And he's 20, so he cannot keep that one. So that one, back in the water. Get bigger, so I can eat you. I'll show you guys what I get at the end. And hopefully, this turns out good. If not, no one will see this. So, we're done. I'm back home. Got the wife in the background. Here's the end day catch. Got 6, got big one, which was the last one. And they're all pretty good. They're all pretty good. Very nice. We're going to cook them up. We're going to have some fillets. I'm going to make some soup. So as you can see, I caught some fish. Got a double header. The last fish that I got, I didn't actually get on camera. Which kind of sucks because I wasn't sure how this would work and all that sort of stuff. And yeah, the date and time and all that sort of stuff is down below on the right hand side of the screen. That's because I didn't know how to turn it off. And it took me like an hour after I got home to figure out how to actually switch it off, and I just had to go into the stupid settings. It's fucking stupid. Anyway, I'm looking forward to the next time I go out. It'll probably just be on my own, and I'm going to try to get better with this little fucking thing. So if you enjoyed the video, if you got some kind of kick out of it, why not subscribe? Hang out, we'll chillax, we'll do other stuff. You know, we did fishing. You know, we might do other shit in the future. I don't know, but we went fishing today. Or yesterday, more rather. So, yeah, I'll talk to you later.